Stop snoring now with these easy tips. Snoring is a common problem that affects many people. There are many causes of snoring. Many people are chronic snorers while others only snore occasionally. This video can help you understand the causes of snoring and what you can do to put a stop to snoring and restore peace in your home. If you often find yourself snoring at night, avoid drinking alcohol. Alcohol can suppress the central nervous system, thus causing all the muscles in your throat to fall into a relaxed state. Your jaw muscles will relax too, increasing any snoring problems. Only drink in moderation, if at all, and you will avoid this problem. If you suffer from chronic snoring, you may benefit from allergy testing. Allergies can clog the nasal passages and force you to breathe out of your mouth, which causes snoring. Finding out the causes of your allergies allows you to eliminate their sources. Also, you may benefit from taking a prescribed or over-the-counter antihistamine before bed. Discuss your snoring with your dentist. If your lower jaw slackens in your sleep, it can contribute to snoring. Your dentist can fit you with a special mouthguard to wear at night, which will hold your teeth together and keep your jaw relaxing too much. This may fix your snoring problems. Try to avoid consuming alcohol right before bed. Alcohol does help you relax. The problem is drinking alcohol right before bed causes the muscles of your airway to relax too much. This over-relaxation causes snoring which you may not notice. But, people around you will definitely be disturbed. As previously revealed, snoring affects all kinds of people. Some people are known to snore chronically while many others may only snore under certain conditions. Use the information and useful techniques from the above video to get relief from noisy, sleepless nights and put a stop to snoring for good. Would you like to learn this easy, throat exercise that eliminates your snoring tonight? Visit secretsnoringhack.com. Want to stop snoring tonight? This simple, 3-minute exercise permanently eliminates snoring as soon as tonight. Visit secretsnoringhack.com to learn all of this and more. Link in the description.